Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a vintage 2004 Timex Ironman 30 lap memory. I'm just doing a cleanup on this. I'm gonna gift this to somebody. This came in a watch lot I bought. You know, it's not worth a lot of money, maybe 20-30 bucks on eBay right now, but you know, it's not really that old either. 2004, I guess it is, but 15 plus years old. If you want to know how I clean these up, this one was pretty ugly. It had some paint on it. Maybe you can still see a little remnants of it in here. The Indiglo light or Indiglo yellow paints wore off. Yeah, I know somebody that would appreciate this one. So I am just going to get it all cleaned up and ready to go. I've picked out dust in the Velcro. I've scrubbed the back band pretty good. And here's the details on the back if you want to see that. Looks like it takes a 2016 battery. We're going to swap that battery out. What other details we got on this? If you want to see, you know, how I clean these up, my toothbrush soap method, you know, using little tiny tools to dig paint out, things like that. I have a million videos on that. I'm not going to go over that on this video today. I think I'm just going to change this battery. Right here's the date code. It looks like M5, which I looked it up. It's about 2004. Ironman watches. Love these Ironman watches. Let me grab a 2016 battery and a screwdriver, and we will get to this. And as I said before, I picked these up on Amazon in bulk. They come in 5 packs, 10 packs. Very cheap, $5 or so. So this one has the 4 screws. Let's go ahead and back those off. And here it will give you some instructions. After battery insertion, short AC pad and battery plus to reset. Looks like we've got a screw here for the battery cover. Got to be careful not to lose your screws. Sorry if my hands are in the way, just got to get that lined up and back into the screw hole. There we go. Doesn't look like we have to do any shorting because that already came back on its own. But if you did have to do it, you're going to have to look. It's going to be really hard for you to see. There's usually a little metal piece, and it looks like it might be right in here, a little contact that says AC. So you basically short that with your tweezers across the top of the battery, and that will get it running again. And here's a tweezer set. You can just basically touch like that. Sometimes you need it, sometimes you don't. Not really sure why. You know what? While we're in here, let's go ahead and just wipe the dust off the seal. Before we put that all back together. You know, the worst part about these is it's just these tiny screws. I think I've said it before. This is just some cheapo screwdriver kit I picked up at Walmart. It has a bunch of these tiny bits that you can swap in and out. It works well for these. you just take your time. Don't get in a rush. No reason to get in a hurry. I mean, if you're in a hurry, you probably need to do this at a different time. With these tiny parts, it's too easy to drop one. And lose it, and then you're looking for it for hours. I've dropped them on I have basically out here in my little work area, I have a linoleum type floor, and I've dropped them down there before, and that is not fun. You got to be in the right frame of mind to do this so you don't spend hours looking for it. I see a little dirt over here. That's a little bit better. We'll work on that a little more off camera, but all right, my chrono function works. All right, we're going to go ahead and set the time on this, get it up and running. Now that it's up and running, and go gift this baby out. So that's about how easy it is to change the battery in one of these. Again, a 2016 battery, 4 screws. Didn't have to do any resets, which is good. So that's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.